smaller number minus 4 times the larger number equals 27. Negative 2 times the smaller number combined with the larger number equals 3. Find what x and y are equal to.
Now we will show you how to get the two equations based on the word problem. 5 times
5x.
the smaller number minus 4
So subtract 4
of the larger number equals 27.
equals 27.
That's one equation. The other equation, negative 2 times
2 times.
negative 3 times the smaller number combined, so that means plus.
Add.
The larger number equals 3.
Plus y.
Those are your two equations. Here's start over. We're going to solve this equation using elimination. So to use elimination, we want the y's to cancel out each other. So in order for that to happen, we're going to multiply the whole equation by 4, so that way the y's are the same value. So that would be 8x. Alright, so now we have negative 8x plus 4y equals 12. So we're going to cancel out the 4y's. So we will end up with now and you should end up with there you go.
That's elimination.
So to find the y using elimination, we have to eliminate the x. So to do so, we have to times this equation over here by 2, and x minus 8y equals 54. And we have to multiply this equation by 5, so that way the x's are the same. Negative 10x plus 5y equals 50. So it cancels out, and we add these, we should end up with negative 3y equals 69. And divide that by negative 3. And you should end up with negative 23.
Now you have the y and the x.
A second way to solve a system equation is using substitution.
Substitution.
So in order to use substitution, we need the y to equal something. So we have to isolate the y, and by doing so, we're going to flip this 2x over to this side. So that would be so that's our y-intercept, I guess. We have to add what y equals right here, so that would mean we have to substitute. And so during PEMDAS we have to
Multiply. Use the distributive property.
Your property. Yeah. So we have to combine like terms. And add 12 because we want to
isolate the x.
Cancel out. Divide each by the negative 3. What should you do? 13. Negative 13. So
That
x
is
equals-
substitution.
X, which equals negative 13, so we have to substitute the x into the equation above. So that would be 2 plus y equals 3. So we have to use PEMDAS, so 26 plus y equals 3. And we have to cancel out this by subtracting by 26. And we have to also subtract this by 26. So y should equal negative.
That is kind of fine. Alright, now this is the way how to solve using graphing. To graph, you have to put both of these equations into slope-intercept form. So first is this first equation, you're going to minus 5x to both sides of the equation. Then you give negative 4y equals negative 5x plus 27. Now it's not in slope-intercept form yet, so you're going to have to divide everything by a negative 4. Then you'll get negative y equals negative 4 fifths x plus 6.75. Now, you have to times everything by negative to get rid of it. So you would get, so they would cancel out. So it equals y equals 4 fifths x minus 6.75. That is the slope-intercept form for the first equation. Now, for the bottom equation, you're going to do the same thing. This time you're going to plus 2x to both sides. Take the y equals 2x plus 3. See, that was an easy one. There you go. Now that we both have our slope-intercept forms, you can start here for 3 for one of the points. And you can start here for another point. And then for this one, you'd go down 2 over 1. 1, 2, 1. Keep going. And for this one, you'd go down 4 over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. And then they would eventually cross at 13.